Do you ever get bored singing major scales? They are perhaps the single most common pattern of pitches that singers practice, but repeating them the same way day after day can start to feel uninspiring. In this vocal exercise routine of the week, we are going to bring a fresh sense of challenge to this familiar work by changing the rhythmic grouping of our scales. Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to this COVO vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I'm the founder of COVO, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. This month at COVO, during our weekly live vocal exercise classes, we have been exploring rhythm, including count singing, rhythmic challenges like irregular meters, polyrhythms, and syncopation. And today we will apply a very specific rhythmic challenge to that most basic of pitch patterns that most singers use to vocalize, a major scale. Now, usually when we sing scales, we organize them into groupings of 4. Look at that first measure. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But today, we are going to challenge both the voice and the brain by organizing the same scale in groupings of 3 instead. Look at that third measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now, we are going to start simple with just a 4-tone scale, just the first 2 measures marked at letter A, which we will sing first on a single vowel. Pick your favorite. In this lower range, I like an E vowel, which I will use like this. E. Simple, huh? E. So pick your favorite vowel and try some with me. E. 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 Repeat the pattern back down in pitch, you can either count sing in the traditional way, that's the top line, 1 and a, 2 and a, 1, or you can use the rhythm syllables triola, triola, ta. These were popularized by the Hungarian music educator Zoltán Kodály. So try some of each, I will. 1 and a 2 and a 1, 1 and a 2 and a 1, triola, triola, ta, triola, triola, ta, 1 and a 2 and a 1, triola, triola, ta, 1 and a 2 and a 1, triola, triola, ta. Now it gets a bit more interesting. We're going to add another floor onto this house, onto this scale, singing the measures at letter B. Oh, turn around. So many singers find this version particularly challenging because we have to turn around on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th scale degree rather than reaching the octave. So you can continue to sing on rhythm syllables if you'd like, but it's a bit more demanding if you sing it on a single vowel instead. I'll model each, and then you can pick your favorite while I'll continue to alternate. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1. Triola, 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 ta. taking syllables off and sing it on a vowel of your choice. Now for the final test, we're going to make this a triple-decker scale and add on one more grouping of 3. This is at letter C. With 3 groupings, we turn around at the 10th, which may feel a little more harmonically intuitive, and yet it can still throw singers off. So see how you do. Syllables, single vowel. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1. Ooh. 3-ola, 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 ta. This is interesting, is it not? Even though the pitch pattern is one that most singers have sung thousands of times in their lives, changing the grouping can make it surprisingly easy to lose your place. Let's try a few more. Last one. Now we are going to add another layer of difficulty. Instead of working only in groupings of 3, we'll begin to mix in groupings of 4 as well. So we have just done a bunch of these 2-decker triplet scales. That's letter A. Let's try it on rhythm syllables. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1. Or 3-ola, 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 ta. One more. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1. Those are your 3 groupings. Now let's review a more standard scale grouped in 4s. All right, this is letter B, and your 2 rhythm syllable options are shown here. The beat's going to be the same, but 1-y and a 2-y and a 1-y and a 2-y and a 1. Or, second line down, ticka, 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 ta. One more. 1-y and a 2-y and a 1-y and a 2-y and a 1. Those are our 4 groupings. Ticka, 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 ta. One more. 1-y and a 2-y and a 1-y and a 2-y and a 1. Now we're going to mix and match. As we try letter C, this is second line down, we will keep the beat steady while alternating the 3 equal notes in the first beat of each measure with 4 equal notes in the second, and so on. Now, using rhythm syllables can really help at first, so choose the set that you prefer. One and a two and a one and a two and a one. Triola ticka ticka triola ticka ticka ta. One and a two and a one and a two and a one. Triola ticka ticka triola ticka ticka ta. One and a two and a one and a two and a one. As we go on, let's try this on a single vowel. Again, I'm going to use the O vowel, but you can pick a vowel that feels best for you without the syllables to help us keep our place. It gets much more challenging to divide the beat evenly, but let's give it a try. Can you do one on your own? We'll go down a half step. Here you go. Try it again. How'd you do? Let's check your work one more time together. Letter C. Finally, let's try a different mix and match. They're at letter D. Now, if you're up for the challenge, try it on your own first using the syllables that you prefer. Okay, I will count you in. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you'll begin. 1, 2, ready, sing. You want to try that again? 1, 2, ready, sing. Did you get it? We're going to find out by doing a few together using syllables. And now that we're warmed up, we're going to take this one just a little higher. If it gets too high for you, you can just jump down the octave or take a break. Syllables, your choice. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1. Or ticka ticka triola ticka ticka triola ta. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1. Ticka ticka triola ticka ticka triola ta. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a 1. And for the grand finale, let's leave the syllables off, but we're going to try to keep our rhythmic precision. Vowel of your choice. Little faster. Can we change back to the letter C? Great job. So I hope that this workout has shown you that changing the rhythm of your scales can make routine practice feel a little spicier, a little more focused and energized, even while the pitches themselves stay exactly the same. If you enjoyed this exercise routine, we have got more for you. Every week we host 2 30-minute live vocal workouts on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you want to make sure you don't miss any new Kovo warm-up routine videos, you can subscribe to the channel to see each new routine when it posts, or use the link in the description below to get each new routine of the week delivered directly to your email inbox. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.